share. Maybe you'll hear my voice from where you are. I am really alive. All of the stars up in my sky, disconnecting you and I, 'cause I'm alright until I hear your voice. Ooh, it haunts me every now and then. Your voice, ooh, it cuts through every memory and I burn away with my feet, all anchored underwater. Now you're coming back. Can we make it? This wreckage never out. Trying to save it, bruises on our hands. Oh, 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 oh. Talking on the phone. Oh, drowning, it hurts to be alone. Oh, we're going back. Can't let you go, but I need to leave if I have to. What I refuse to see is who I imagine. This illusion is all